Hello, everyone. What if I tell you that just a few powerful English words can completely change the way people see you? Yes, not your grammar, not your accent, but your vocabulary. Because words are power. Today, you are going to learn advanced English vocabulary in the simplest way. And not just learn, you will start using them from today. So stay with me till the end. Let's begin. First word is astute. Astute means very intelligent and quick to understand situations. If someone takes smart decisions, quickly you can say, he is very astute. Repeat after me. Astute. Example. She made an astute decision in her career. Next word, perceptive. Perceptive means someone who notices small details. People who understand others without explanation are perceptive. Repeat. Perceptive. Example. She is very perceptive. She understands people easily. Now the word pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical, not emotional. A pragmatic person focuses on what works. Repeat. Pragmatic. Example. We need a pragmatic solution to this problem. Next powerful word, eloquent. Eloquent means speaking beautifully and clearly. People who inspire others with words are eloquent. Repeat. Eloquent. Example. He gave an eloquent speech. Next word, articulate. Articulate means expressing ideas clearly. Repeat. Articulate. Example. She is very articulate in meetings. Now concise. Concise means short but complete. Not long, not confusing. Repeat. Concise. Example. Keep your answer concise. Next word, persuasive. Persuasive means convincing others. Repeat. Persuasive. Example. He is very persuasive in his arguments. Now let's move to emotions and personality. First word, resilient. Resilient means strong, even after failure. Repeat. Resilient. Example. She is resilient. She never gives up. Next, empathetic. Empathetic means understanding others' feelings. Repeat. Empathetic. Example. A good leader is empathetic. Now composed. Composed means calm and controlled. Repeat. Composed. Example. He remained composed in a difficult situation. Next word, zealous. Zealous means very enthusiastic. Repeat. Zealous. Example. She is zealous about her goals. Now stoic. Stoic means not showing emotions. Repeat. Stoic. Example. He remained stoic during tough times. Now let's talk about success words. First, ambitious. Ambitious means having big goals. Repeat. Ambitious. Example. She is ambitious and hardworking. Next, innovative. Innovative means new ideas. Repeat. Innovative. Example. This is an innovative solution. Now, dynamic. Dynamic means full of energy. Repeat. Dynamic. Example. He is a dynamic speaker. Next, visionary. Visionary means thinking about the future. Repeat. Visionary. Example. A visionary leader creates change. Now, prosperous. Prosperous means successful, especially financially. Repeat. Prosperous. Example. They built a prosperous business. Now some daily powerful words. First, inevitable. Inevitable means something that will definitely happen. Repeat. Inevitable. Example. Success is inevitable if you work hard. Next, significant. Significant means important. Repeat. Significant. Example. This is a significant change. Now, relevant. Relevant means related to the topic. Repeat. Relevant. Example. Your answer is very relevant. Next, efficient. Efficient means doing work without waste. Repeat. Efficient. Example. She is very efficient in her work. Last word, substantial. Substantial means large or important. Repeat. Substantial. Example. He made a substantial improvement. Now listen carefully. Learning words is not enough. You must use them. From today, speak at least 5 words daily. Make sentences. Record your voice. And listen again. Because practice makes confidence. and confidence makes fluency. Remember, you don't need thousands of words. Just a few powerful words, used correctly, can make you sound smart, confident, and professional. So start today, not tomorrow. Right now. Choose 5 words. Speak them, use them, live them, and see the transformation. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends. Like this, and keep learning. Thank you.